Hello YouTube. This water here to my left is the Hiwassee River. Right now I'm heading west, which is with the flow of the water. And I've been out here before, but I don't remember ever being out here in the winter time. And it is really a different experience. It's different because it's so open. In the summertime, you're pretty much enclosed in a canopy of green, which is great too, by the way. But to be out here where you can see the river and the mountains, and up onto the rocky cliffs up there, kind of surprising. Cool. Little MG. Hey, what a life, huh? Guy out there fly fishing. Drive up here on a day like this, it's about 55 degrees. Your little old MGA. Do some fly fishing. What a guy. There's several fly fishermen out today. And why wouldn't you be on a day like this? January doesn't give us too many days like this. You better get out and use them properly. So like I often say, it's a beautiful day here in southeastern Tennessee. And I hope you're having a great day wherever you are.